In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tasks in Microsoft Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your tasks, how to add them quickly, and how to include the right details so nothing slips through the cracks. First, open Outlook. Give it a moment to load your mailbox and calendar. We're going to move to the task area. Depending on your version, you'll either see an icon labeled Tasks in the navigation pane, or a checkmark icon often called To Do. This is usually along the left side of the window, and in some layouts it can appear at the bottom. Click that to switch from your mail or calendar view into your task list. Now let's create a new task. Look for the New Task button. In some versions, especially the simplified To Do view, you might see a plus sign with the words Add a Task. Click that to open a fresh task form. Start at the top with the subject. This is your task name, and it's what you'll see in the list later, so keep it short and specific, like Send Project Update or Book Quarterly Meeting Room. Next, set your start date and due date. The start date tells you when you want to begin thinking about the task, and the due date is your deadline. If you're not sure about a start date, you can leave it blank and just set the due date. Choose a priority level: high, normal, or low. Use high for time-sensitive items that you don't want buried in your list, normal for most everyday work, and low for nice-to-have tasks that can wait. If you want Outlook to nudge you, turn on a reminder, pick the date and time you prefer, and Outlook will alert you so you don't miss it. Reminders are optional, but they're great for deadlines that tend to sneak up. In the Notes or Details area,